एपेक्स न्यूज इंडिया नॉर्थ ईस्ट।
नमस्कार, मैं दीपिका आप सभी का स्वागत करती हूँ। आप देख रहे हैं मेरे साथ एपेक्स न्यूज इंडिया। चलिए पहले एक नजर डालते हैं आज की हेडलाइंस पर। अब खबरें आगे। मेघालय के मुख्यमंत्री कनराड के संगमा ने कहा कि होम डिपार्टमेंट के तहत एक डेडिकेटेड एफसीआर सेल बनाया जाएगा। यह सेल संस्थाओं को एफसीआर एप्लीकेशन और रिन्यूअल में मदद करेगा और केंद्र के साथ समन्वय करके समस्याओं का समाधान करेगा।
The Meghalaya government has decided that we will be forming an FCRA cell within the home department in the government of Meghalaya itself. This, of course, will be done in consultation with Government of India. And the purpose of this cell will be to help in coordination with central government to see effective way in which the different problems being faced by our different organizations when it comes to renewals and applications can be addressed right here in Shillong itself without having, or in Tura or in Jowai, without having to travel to distant places like Delhi. And obviously in this coordination we are seeking the support of Government of India, and just I can tell you without giving too much of details that this matter also was discussed with the Home Secretary, and we are working on a mechanism where Government of India officials also will be there to support time to time in order to ensure that any kind of problems and challenges that are there will be looked into. But the government of Meghalaya will take the initiative, as I said, to form that cell, an FCRA cell within the home department, in the state government, in different locations where if necessary, which will help and support different organizations in their process of applying or renewing their FCRA license. So that's something that we're going to do. And so therefore these things are going on. And as I said, it'll be nice that all political parties should see beyond politics in this and really see how we can contribute towards ensuring that a positive outcome comes in. It's not about taking credit. It's not about saying I did it and you didn't do and blaming each other or anybody else. I think there is a lot at stake. So I think this is not the time to play politics, but it is a time to work together to ensure that we are able to find a solution where certain concerns of Government of India.
मुख्यमंत्री कनराड के संगमा ने कहा कि MRSSA को लेकर यूनियन होम मिनिस्ट्री के साथ बातचीत सकारात्मक दिशा में आगे बढ़ रहा है। आने वाले समय में और बैठकें होंगी जिससे मामले को आगे बढ़ाया जा सके।
Last visit to Delhi, we had a very detailed meeting with the Home Secretary. And just to share with you, the Chief Secretary as well as Commissioner Secretary, Home Police and Political, they have had meetings, different rounds of levels of meeting with Home Secretary on the all detailed aspects of the MRSSA. And we have been moving in the positive direction and right direction. As you're aware, these are matter of details, and therefore it requires a lot of consultation, a lot of discussion at the official level. But in our last meeting we had with Home Secretary, we could understand that the Home Ministry, MHA and Government of India are very positive about it. And in our discussion, a lot of positive points came out. The Chief Secretary and Commissioner Secretary Political will be having a meeting very soon again. And we're very hopeful that we'll be able to take it forward in the right direction. But as I said, till things don't happen, it will be not correct for me to disclose all the aspects of things and what are the issues that are there. But I can only tell you that, as I said, discussions were very positive, and Deputy CM and myself had a very long discussion with Home Secretary, and we're very hopeful that it will move in the right direction.
Sir, there was an ultimatum submitted to your office by the
मेघालय सरकार ने केंद्र से माइनिंग के लिए 100 हेक्टेयर की मिनिमम सीमा को कम करने की मांग की है। सरकार का कहना है कि ये सीमा छोटे स्थानीय माइनर्स के लिए काफी ज्यादा है। इसके समाधान के लिए एक कमेटी बनाई गई है।
And in that meeting, my request was to make necessary changes to allow the small time miners who have lesser area to also be able to enter legal mining. And the current form in which 100 hectares is required or is kept as a minimum level is too high, and most of the local miners are not able to apply. As you're aware, the minister was very positive in his meeting. He asked us to form a committee immediately. This was about a month back, and I'm happy to inform you that the committee has been formed, and there are members from our side, which includes our additional chief secretary, our principal secretary, and our AG, as well as our director of mining. And already one meeting has taken place at the official level of the committee, and also discussions have happened twice with the additional secretary and the technical team. And I have also met the additional secretary myself after the first meeting took place. And the second meeting is due to take place in the next couple of weeks. We're very hopeful, as I said, that we'll be able to find a positive solution so that our small time miners are also able to legally find a solution and be able to operate their mines in a safe and a legal manner. So this is a very important step for us. And
मेघालय कैबिनेट ने यूरेनियम माइनिंग के विरोध में ड्राफ्ट रेजोल्यूशन को मंजूरी दी है। खासी और गारो को मान्यता देने वाले ऑफिशियल लैंग्वेजेस बिल 2026 MCS एग्जाम में मेघालय फोकस्ड पेपर और देरी से मिलने वाली ऑनलाइन सर्विसेज के लिए ऑटोमेटिक अपील जैसे प्रस्ताव भी मंजूर किए गए हैं।
We had a cabinet meeting today, and we had taken up 10 formal items in the cabinet. The first item was the approval of the draft resolution against the mining of uranium in the state of Meghalaya, which will be moved in the upcoming autumn session of 2026, which will start on the 24th of this month. So the resolution was cleared by the cabinet today. The second agenda was the Meghalaya Official Languages Bill 2026. As you're aware that this had come in the form of an ordinance, and now since the session is coming, we will be formally taking up the bill and passing the new act, amended act, where Khasi and Garo also will be official languages of the state. Third was the speech that has to be given in the Independence Day. Those different aspects of the speeches were discussed and were shared with the cabinet. We have put up, or rather we had put up, an expert committee to basically include a chapter on the state, on Meghalaya state and its history, its culture, and all the other information in the MCS competitive exam. So there's going to be a paper, an additional paper, paper number 6, which will be specifically on the state of Meghalaya, and the objective being that MCS officers must have knowledge of the state, including its history, its culture, its different systems, and different economic aspects, and so on and so forth. There's a full report on it, which was submitted by the committee, which was headed by Professor David Semle, and we have approved that committee's report today in the cabinet. Fifth, we had the approval of an automatic appeal mechanism for online applications under the Ease of Doing Business for the Meghalaya Right to Public Service Act 2020. The objective being that once the specified time frame is over for a particular service to be delivered to a citizen. And for whatever reason, if it's not delivered, the particular citizen will not have to.
शिलोंग एयरपोर्ट के रनवे एक्सपेंशन के लिए सभी जरूरी मंजूरियां मिल गई हैं और काम शुरू हो गया है। मुख्यमंत्री कनराड के संगमा के मुताबिक प्रोजेक्ट करीब 15 महीने में पूरा होने की उम्मीद है, जिससे 2027 तक उमरोई से बड़े शहरों के लिए बड़े एयरक्राफ्ट ऑपरेट हो सकेंगे।
That certain developments are there in certain areas. First of all, I'm happy to inform everyone that the clearances required for the Shillong Airport runway expansion, all the clearances have been approved, and I'm happy to announce that the work for the extension of the runway has started. This is a very, very important step for us. We had a lot of challenges, but after a deep discussion and detailed discussion, and also my last visit that I made to Delhi, these matters were sorted out, and the work, as I said, of the runway has started, and we expect that this work maximum will be completed in the next 15 months, though we expect it to be faster and before that. So by next year, 2027, we do hope and expect that the larger flights from the different metros will be landing directly in Umroi Airport.
मुख्यमंत्री कनराड के संगमा ने केंद्र के वित्त मंत्री से एक्सटर्नली एडेड प्रोजेक्ट्स यानी EAP पर लगी फंडिंग सेलिंग हटाने की मांग की है। उनका कहना है कि इससे मेघालय को और डेवलपमेंट प्रोजेक्ट्स लाने में मदद मिलेगी।
Aided projects, and as you're aware, we had a meeting a couple of months back, and Union Minister was very keen, but still there are some discussions going on, and we have urged her again that that if the ceiling is not there, it will help and support, especially states like Meghalaya. There have been recent meetings where a large number of projects have been approved. New projects have been approved for Meghalaya, but as I said, the official notifications have not come out, so I will not give details of that right now. But the official meeting has taken place, and approval to certain EAPs have been given, new EAPs, and I'll share that with you once the minutes of those meetings come out. But beyond what has been approved, we have urged that the ceiling be removed so that we can apply for more schemes in the future.
यहाँ रुकेंगे एक छोटे से ब्रेक के लिए, मिलेंगे कुछ और खबरों के साथ ब्रेक के बाद। देखते रहिए एपेक्स न्यूज इंडिया।
You think champions are made in the arena? They rise from the streets. The streets remember champions.
Welcome to Greenhaven, Shillong. Hidden among Meghalaya's misty hills, Greenhaven, Shillong invites you to slow down and reconnect. Indulge in luxurious comfort, stunning views, heartfelt hospitality, and the serenity of nature. Discover a stay that's more than a getaway. It's an experience, where every stay feels like coming home.
आप सभी का फिर से स्वागत है। चलिए देखते हैं बाकी की खबरें। शिलोंग के पोलो ग्राउंड में 15 अगस्त को होने वाले 80th इंडिपेंडेंस डे समारोह के तैयारियां जोरों पर है। सफाई, स्टेज डेकोरेशन, सिक्योरिटी, पैरेड रिहर्सल और कल्चरल प्रोग्राम्स को अंतिम रूप दिया जा रहा है।
Ladies and gentlemen, that is a privilege announcing the arrival of the chief guest of today's program, the Honorable Chief Minister of Meghalaya, Sri Conrad K. Sangma. Kindly rise and welcome him. Escorting our chief guest, Honorable NCC senior officers, Kirtimani Tiki, Mayor Sadat Lapan, Dalamuchi Shamanko.
People of state of Meghalaya. The contingents are being led today by Commander Sri Arun Chandya L. Norman.
Next is the West Bengal Police, Specialized India Reserve Battalion, Rajnagar Tilbhu, representing the West Bengal Police in this year.
मणिपुर में सिक्योरिटी फोर्सेस ने 5 फरवरी से 11 अगस्त के बीच 1422 हथियार, 7010 राउंड्स अम्यूनेशन और 1137 एक्सप्लोसिव बरामद किए हैं। सरकार के मुताबिक ये कार्रवाई शांति और सामाजिक समरसता बहाल करने की प्रयासों का हिस्सा है।
To the soft steps of Rasa Hill, courage burns in the martial in the truth of the peace. Here, devotion from the days of our freedom fighters to the present is always
मिनेर्वा पंजाब के मालिक रंजित बजाज ने कहा है कि भारत में फुटबॉल टैलेंट की कोई कमी नहीं है, लेकिन बेहतर सिस्टम, मौके और मजबूत लीडरशिप की जरूरत है। उन्होंने कहा कि सही सपोर्ट और स्ट्रक्चर के साथ भारत फीफा वर्ल्ड कप जैसे बड़े इंटरनेशनल स्टेज तक पहुंच सकता है।
कुरासाओ ने कर दिया था ना, उनकी पॉपुलेशन क्या है, और कैबो वर्ड एक छोटा सा आइलैंड है, 50,000 लाख बंदा है, और वो तो मेघालय में भी अगर फेस्टिवल होता है जब चेरी ब्लॉसम, उसमें भी 1 लाख से ज़्यादा बंदा आता है। तो इसमें हमारे को क्या चाहिए? मेहनत। एंड वी नीड द राइट लीडरशिप, वी नीड द राइट सिस्टम। अगर सिस्टम अच्छा हुआ तो अगर पैसों की ज़रूरत होती तो अफ्रीकन कंट्रीज़ जो है वो कभी ना पहुंचती, मगर वो भी पहुंच रही है। इसका मतलब सिस्टम में प्रॉब्लम है, एंड सिस्टम में मतलब कि हम ग्रास रूट्स में ख्याल नहीं रखते। जब हम ग्रास रूट्स में रखेंगे अपने आप पहुँचेंगे।
सर अगर नहीं हो तो आपकी आगे का योजना क्या होगा? नहीं
हो पाया, हो ही नहीं, होएगा, गारंटीड होएगा। मैं करके अगर देखो है, अगर मदद मिल गई तो हम जल्दी आ जाएंगे, अगर नहीं मदद मिली तो हम पहुंचेंगे। आई गारंटी यू विल गेट टू द वर्ल्ड कप एंड ऑल्सो गेट 36 में गोल्ड मेडल। वो मैं करा के दूंगा। इट विल बी टफर फॉर मी अगर मेरे को हेल्प ना मिली, कराऊंगा तब भी। अगर हेल्प मिल गई इट विल बी इजियर फॉर मी, बट आई स्टिल डू इट, आई गारंटी इट।
जैंतिया नेशनल काउंसिल ने ईस्ट जैंतिया हिल्स के 217.394 हेक्टेयर लुमसिरमन लाइमस्टोन प्रोजेक्ट को लेकर मेघालय सरकार से तुरंत दखल की मांग की है। जेएनसी के जमीन के अधिकार, किसानों की रोजी रोटी, मुआवजा और पब्लिक हियरिंग को लेकर चिंता जताई है। संगठन ने 10 दिन का समय देते हुए मांगे ना माने जाने पर शांतिपूर्ण आंदोलन की चेतावनी दी है।
The people of Ilocos and the farmers of Ilocos and also of the Ilocos Sutunga in the proposed mining plan of the Sissemen at Lomserman, and the Sissemen have taken their land without their consent, and their rights are being deprived. So therefore, concerning this matter, today we have submitted our memorandum to demand from the government to give these two demands, which are the rights of the farmers and the rights of the landowners within the Ilocos and within the Ilocos Sutunga, which falls under these two Ilocos. And what is a very surprising thing here is that even during this confusion or these issues are still there. But
मेघालय टूरिज्म डिपार्टमेंट जल्द डेडिकेटेड टूरिज्म कैब बुकिंग ऐप लॉन्च करने की तैयारी में है। शिलोंग में आयोजित कार्यक्रम में अधिकारियों, टेक्नोलॉजी पार्टनर्स और टैक्सी ऑपरेटर्स ने प्लेटफॉर्म पर चर्चा की। ऐप का डेमोन्स्ट्रेशन और टूरिस्ट टैक्सी ऑपरेटर्स के लिए ट्रेनिंग भी दी गई। खबरों में आज के लिए इतना ही। ऐसे और खबरों के साथ जुड़े रहने के लिए देखते रहिए एपेक्स न्यूज इंडिया। धन्यवाद।
Apex News India Northeast।